Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be reviewing the JBL Wave 300 TWS. The Wave 300 TWS is a JBL earbud headphone that promises good sound quality, long battery life, and user comfort. Launched in the first quarter of 2022, the device is an entry-level option with an autonomy of up to 26 hours of use, combining the charge of the headphone with that of the case. The model is IPX2 certified, which makes it resistant to raindrops and sweat. You can buy the headset for as little as $69.99 on Amazon. Available in black, white, and pink, the Wave 300 TWS promises to please several music lovers with its technology capable of reinforcing the sound base. We present the model's datasheet and its main specifications. Get to know the details of JBL earbuds and find out if the 300 TWS is a good option for you. The Wave 300 TWS is a compact JBL headphone that features an earbud design. Since there are no silicone tips, the device is not worn inside the user's ear canal, but only in the outer ear region. This model can be a comfortable option for users who do not adapt to in-ear devices. With a simple design and not many eye-catching details in its structure, the headset is also a discreet option. The model has short stems that can help you fit the ear and also allow you to perform commands to control media and answer calls. The pairing of the headset with other accessories is indicated by a blue LED. The battery charging case looks simple, just like the Wave 300 TWS. With its compact size, the accessory can even be carried easily in a trouser pocket. On the front there's an LED that indicates the battery status, being green for a full charge, yellow for medium, and red for low battery. The sensors built into the Wave 300 TWS stems allow the user to perform a series of commands on the smartphone remotely. You can trigger the cell phone's voice assistant by touching and holding the headset sensor. By double tapping, it is possible to answer voice calls or skip the music track being played. With one tap the media is paused, and with 3 taps the previously played song is resumed. The audio device also features dual connect technology that lets you switch between mono and stereo modes on the left, right, or both earphones while making calls, listening to music, or activating your voice assistant. Another feature that stands out in the device is the IPX2 certification, which makes the Wave 300 TWS a model that is resistant to raindrops and sweat. The Wave 300 TWS comes with a built-in microphone and allows you to make phone calls without having to take your phone out of your pocket. The Bluetooth 5.2 connection allows the user to connect the audio player to various devices without the need for wires. The JBL Wave 300 TWS is a simple headphone model, but it promises good sound quality for those looking for earbuds. The device features a 12mm driver, which is a slightly higher standard than what is seen in other products in the segment. With deep bass sound technology, JBL promises that the headphone will emphasize the bass frequencies of the music and provide fuller-bodied audio. The model's datasheet also includes that the headphone is capable of covering a frequency range between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. Its driver has a sensitivity of 105 dB and the input impedance is 32 ohms. With a promise of 6 hours of continuous use, the JBL Wave 300 TWS has a battery with good battery life for the category. Because it is a compact model with a durable battery, the audio accessory can be a good option for quick trips by train, bus, and plane, as well as a companion for everyday use at home or in the gym. The case that comes with the headset is capable of storing up to 20 hours of recharge time. With this, the set promises 26 hours of audio for the user to use for a few days. The device has a fast charging mode that promises 1 hour of battery life within 10 minutes. A full charge of the headset takes about 60 minutes. The set comes with a USB Type-C cable to power the battery in the case. The Wave 300 TWS is available for purchase on Amazon. It is possible to find the model for lower prices, starting at $69. The audio accessory has a 1-year warranty provided by JBL starting from the date of the purchase invoice. Check the video's description page for link to buy. Here ends our video on JBL Wave 300 TWS. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.